Hi, let's discuss some question on reproduction in sponges which will be beneficial for PGT level, TGT level and many other teaching level exam related to life science. The first question is in most desmosponges the oocytes are primarily differentiated from option A choanocyte, pinacocyte, archaeocyte, porocyte. Answer is archaeocyte. The larva that is characteristics of Calceria is parenchyma, amphiblastula, trichomela, planula. Answer is amphiblastula. Which sponge class possesses the trichomela larva? Desmospongia, Calcarea, Hexantinellida, Homo scleromorpha. Answer is Hexantinellida. During internal fertilization in sponges, sperm are transported to egg by porocyte, archaeocyte, pinacocyte, mycocyte. Answer is archaeocyte or carrier cell. Gamule formation is an adaptation primarily for sexual reproduction, perenniation during adverse condition, larval dispersal or cross fertilization. Answer is perenniation during adverse condition. Which of the following is incorrect regarding sponge reproduction? Most species are hermaphrodite. Fertilization is generally internal. Cleavage results in a free swimming larva. Copulatory organs are present. Answer is copulatory organs are present. The micropyle like opening in a gemule through which archaeocyte emerges is called as osculum, ostium. The micropyle like opening in gemule through which archaeocyte emerges is called as osculum, ostium, foramen, gemule aperture or micropyle. Answer is gamular aperture or micropyle. Which of the following correctly match the sponge class and the larval type? Calceria and the larva is parenchyma. Desmospongia larva is amphiblastula. Hexantinellida larva is trichomela and Calcarea larva is planula. The correct answer is Hexantinellida and the larva is trichomela. In sponges, sperm released into water are captured by archaeocyte, choanocyte of other sponge, pinacocyte or porocyte. Answer is choanocyte of other sponge. Which statement best explain why self-fertilization is uncommon in hermaphroditic sponges? Gametes are produced in different individuals only. Sperm and egg usually mature at different time, which is known as protoandry or protogyny. Eggs are never retained in the body. Fertilization is always external. Answer is sperm and egg are usually mature at different time. Protoandry or protogyny. Which reproductive strategy contribute most to the wild geographical distribution of marine sponges? Gamule formation, free swimming larval stage, binary fission or parthenogenesis. Answer is free swimming larval stage. A gamule is composed mainly of choanocyte enclosed with collagen only, archaeocyte surrounded by a protective coat reinforced with spicules, pinacocyte surrounded by calcium carbonate, porocyte embedded in mesohyl. Answer is Archaeocyte surrounded by a protective coat reinforced within spongin or spicule. Which of the following combination is correct? Freshwater sponges, gamule, survival in drought, marine sponges, gamule, sexual reproduction, calcarea, trichemella larva, hexantinellida, amphiblastula larva. Answer is freshwater sponges, gamule, survival in drought. In sponges, embryonic development occurs entirely outside the parent body, within the mesohyl of the parent before larva release, the spongiocele only after hatching, inside gamule. Answer is within the mesohyl of parent before larva release. Most sponges are dioecious only, hermaphrodite, parthenogenic, viviparous. Answer is hermaphrodite. In sponges, sperms are generally produced from pinacocyte, choanocyte, archaeocyte, porocyte. Answer is choanocyte. Ova in most sponges are formed from pinacocyte, choanocyte, archaeocyte, mycocyte. Answer is archaeocyte. Fertilization in most sponge is external, internal, both external and internal, and absent. Answer is internal. Which cell carry sperm to the egg in many sponges? Answer is archaeocyte. The most common asexual mode of reproduction in sponges: fragmentation and budding, binary fission, multiple fission, or sporulation. Answer is fragmentation and budding. Gammules are characteristics of marine sponge, freshwater sponge, calcarea sponge, hexantinellidas only. Answer is freshwater sponge. Gammules are formed to increase feeding efficiency, survive unfavorable condition, produce gamete, aid locomotion. Answer is survive unfavorable condition. The resistance covering of gammule contain chitin and spicule, cellulose, calcium carbonate, keratin. Answer is chitin and spicule. The larva of cycon is amphibiastula, parenchyma, planula, trochophore. Answer is amphiblastula. The larva of Desmospongia is generally amphibiastula, parenchyma, bipinnaria, or tornaria. Answer is parenchyma. Sponge larvae are sessile, free swimming, parasitic, or burrowing. Answer is free swimming. Which statement is correct? Adult are motile and larvae are sessile. Adult are sessile and larvae are motile. Both adult and larva are sessile. Both adult and larva are motile. Answer is adult are sessile and larva are motile. Fertilization in sponges generally result in trochophore larva, planula larva, amphiblastula or parenchyma larva, Nauplius larva. Answer is amphiblastula or parenchyma larva. Gammule contain numerous choanocytic only, archaeocyte with reserve food, pinacocyte only, porocyte only. Answer is archaeocyte with reserve food. Which of the following is not an asexual reproductive method in sponges? Budding, gammule formation, fragmentation, conjugation. Answer is conjugation. Which cell type is considered as totipotent in sponge? Choanocyte, archaeocyte, pinacocyte, porocyte. Answer is archaeocyte. During sexual reproduction in sponges, the first cell to capture incoming sperm is archaeocyte, choanocyte, pinacocyte, myocyte. Answer is choanocyte. Gammules are absent in most freshwater sponge, marine desmospongia, spongilia, and Iphidatia. Answer is marine desmospongia. Which statement about sponge larva is incorrect? They are ciliated, they are free swimming, they are feeding larva, they help in dispersal. Answer is they are feeding larva. Which larva type has two distinct hemisphere of cell? Option A parenchyma, amphiblastula, trichimella and planula. Answer is amphiblastula. Okay, amphiblastula has two side. Okay, in anterior side it has flagella, but in posterior half it does not bear flagella. That's why it we said that it has two distinct hemisphere. But in case of parenchyma, parenchyma it is covered by all over the body by um, motile cilia and flagella, which is help for movement. During budding in sponges, birds originated from mesohyl, osculum, spongocyl, ostia. Answer is mesohyl. Gamule formation is induced mainly by high food availability, adverse environmental condition, high salinity, reproductive hormone. Answer is adverse environmental condition. Which of the following is not involved in sponge reproduction? Mesohyl, choanocyte, archaeocyte, nematocyte. Answer is nematocyte. In sponges, embryogenesis usually takes place in spongocyl, mesohyl, osculum, ostium, mesohyl. Which sponge class predominantly produce parenchyma larva? Calcarea, Desmospongia, Hexanitida, and Homo scleromorpha. Answer is Demospongia. Which one is the correct sequence during asexual reproduction? During sexual reproduction, gamete formation, fertilization, cleavage, larva, settlement, adult, cleavage, fertilization, larva, adult, larva, fertilization, adult, budding, larva, adult. Answer is option A, that is gamete formation, then fertilization, cleavage, then free swimming larva, then settlement, then adult. The principal function of free swimming larva is feeding, respiration, dispersal and colonization, and gamule formation. Answer is dispersal and colonization. Which statement regarding sponge reproduction is true? All sponges are oviparous. Self fertilization is common. Cross fertilization is favored. Fertilization is always external. Answer is cross fertilization is favored. The outer protective coat of gamule is secreted mainly by choanocyte, archaeocyte, pinacocyte, porocyte. Answer is archaeocyte. Which freshwater sponge is famous for gamule formation? Cycon, Spongilla, Euplectella, Leucosolenia. Answer is Spongilla. Thank you.